Memphis Zoo, which first opened its doors in 1906, is currently home to more than 3,500 animals representing 500 different species. There are just 3 other zoos in the United States that have the privilege of housing giant pandas. In the naturalistic setting known as the Northwest Passage, among the most well-known residents are the polar bears, sea lions, black bears, bald eagles, and ravens. Cat country is home to both predators and prey, including lions, tigers, cheetahs, and antelopes, among other animals. Other habitats offer animals that are sure to please the whole family, such as elephants, giraffes, penguins, primates like the lovable bonobo, and even an exhibit of farm animals. Butterflies, in living color, is an exhibit that should not be missed and is open periodically from Memorial Day through October. Take advantage of the various food concessions, rides, gift shops, and educational centers.